Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. There are 5 types of plant. First of all, I call Amina.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Amina. Climbers have a weak stem. They need support like other plants to grow. Example, money plant, grapevine. Thank you.
Secondly, I call Zikra.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Zikra. Creepers have weak stem too, but they grow all on
The ground.
the ground and do not climb straight. Example, watermelon, muskmelon. Thank you.
I call Mahin.
Herbs are small plants which have a fleshy stem. They are often used in food and medicines. Example, coriander and mint.
I call Rida.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Huda. Shrubs are plants which are smaller than the trees. They have a woody stem and are often bushy. Example, rose plant, lemon plant.
I call Hasnan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. These are large plants made of wood. They have strong stem for root. Some like the dead palm tree can live for more than 100 years.